first combination. To a 45. Combination pointing straight up to the lavatory, continuing. There's a test tee with a plug in the top of it. Going through a 45. Another combination. Another combination. Another 45. Another combination. There's a double Y. And hold up. That is where the lateral is dropping straight down. Somewhere in this store it's got a clean out that goes, it's got a combination dropping straight down, and on the top side it's got a clean out. Go ahead and make it around the bin. Now it's dropping straight down. Hold it. A little bit further down. Okay, stop. Now run some water for me. As you can see, this is only 23 feet, and it looks like the lateral that's already about 15 inches deep drops at least another 2 feet. And there it is. So somewhere out there under the carpet is a clean out. Go ahead and withdraw. Keep withdrawing.